Write a short note on total disablement. Total disablement means a condition in which a workman becomes incapable of performing any work which he was capable of doing before the accident. Such disablement may be temporary or permanent and results in complete loss of earning capacity. According to Section 2I of the Employees Compensation Act 1923, total disablement means such disablement, whether temporary or permanent in nature, which incapacitates a workman from performing all work which he was capable of performing at the time of the accident resulting in such disablement. The Act further provides that permanent total disablement shall be deemed to result from every injury specified in Part 1 of Schedule 1 and also from injuries specified in Part 2 of Schedule 2, where the total percentage of loss of earning capacity amounts to 100% or more. Types of total disablement. First, temporary total disablement. It is a condition where the workman becomes incapable of performing any work for a temporary period. For example, a worker suffers serious fractures in an accident and becomes bedridden for 6 months. During that period, he cannot perform any work. This amounts to temporary total disablement. Second, permanent total disablement. It is a condition where the workman permanently loses his ability to perform any work. For example, loss of both eyes, loss of both hands, or complete paralysis causing permanent inability to work amounts to permanent total disablement. Conclusion. Thus, total disablement refers to a condition where a workman becomes completely incapable of performing any work which he could perform before the accident. It may be temporary or permanent depending upon the nature and extent of the injury.